Hello everyone. Welcome back to Real Estate Insights. Today, we have an exciting project to share with you, Rohan Nidita by Rohan and Atul Enterprises. Situated in the bustling IT hub of Hinjewadi, Pune, this development offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and modern living. Wipro Circle, Shivaji Chowk to Rohan Nidita East access to Hinjawadi Phase to IT Hub, Wipro Technologies, Grand High Street Shopping Centre, Adient India, Mindtree Limited, Shivaji Chowk, Hilton Garden, Shell Petrol Pump, Rohan Ipasta with turn right to Rohan Nidita. Rohan Nidita is a residential complex that offers a variety of living options to suit different needs. The project features 2 and 3 BHK apartments spread across 23 floors. With a sanctioned FSI of 20,705 square meters and a total land area of 994 square meters, the development ensures ample space for residents. The apartments range from 462 to 973 square feet, providing a comfortable living space for families of all sizes. The project is expected to be completed by March 2027, offering modern amenities and a lifestyle of convenience. Let's take a virtual tour of Rohan Nidita. As you step into the project, you'll be greeted by stylish interiors, spacious balconies with breathtaking views, and lush landscaped gardens. The project is designed to create a serene oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. Some of the key amenities include a state-of-the-art gymnasium, a refreshing swimming pool, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Rohan Nidita is not just about owning a home, it's about becoming part of a vibrant community. Residents here enjoy a range of amenities designed to enhance their quality of life. Whether you want to stay fit at the gym, relax by the pool, or spend quality time with your family in the gardens, there's something for everyone. The dedicated children's play area ensures that your little ones can have fun in a safe and secure environment. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the residents who have chosen Rohan Nidita as their home. Their first-hand experiences and testimonials will give you valuable insights into what life is really like at this wonderful development. Rohan and Atul Enterprises is a name synonymous with quality and trust in the real estate sector. Known for their innovative designs and commitment to excellence, they have consistently delivered projects that meet the highest standards of quality. Rohan Nidita is yet another testament to their dedication to providing luxurious and comfortable living spaces. As of now, Rohan Nidita is progressing steadily towards its completion date in March 2027. The project's popularity is evident from its positive reception and high demand. Looking ahead, the developers have exciting plans for future development phases, promising even more amenities and enhancements for residents to enjoy. Investing in real estate requires transparency and compliance. Rohan Nidita ensures that all legal and regulatory requirements are met, with its RERA registration number P521000500746. The project offers transparency and peace of mind to investors and home buyers alike. In Pune's dynamic real estate landscape, Rohan Nidita stands out as an attractive investment opportunity. Its prime location, superior amenities, competitive pricing, and future development plans make it a sought-after choice for those seeking comfort, convenience, and luxury living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rohan Nidita. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the latest real estate developments. Thanks for watching.